Hello friends, if you like my videos then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Taurus, the second sign of the zodiac, is all about reward. Unlike the Aries love of the game, Taurus loves the rewards of the game. Think physical pleasures and material goods for Taurine. They are also a tactile lot, enjoying a tender, even sensual, touch. Taurus adores comfort and likes being surrounded by pleasing, soothing things. They also favor a good meal and a fine wine. These folks are artistic as well. It's the bull that serves as the Taurus's mascot, and along with that comes the expectation that they are bull-headed and stubborn. Taurus doesn't start out with the intention of getting stuck. They simply want to get things done, and it's that steady, dogged persistence that winds up being viewed as stubbornness. Bulls are actually among the most practical and reliable of the zodiacs. The good news for bulls is that once they get to the finish line, they'll swaddle themselves in material goods. Taurus is ruled by Venus, a lovely goddess who didn't deny herself many things. In ancient Roman mythology, Venus was the goddess of love, beauty and pleasure, and Taurus has pretty much taken up where she left off. Bulls are fond of all things pretty. To onlookers, this may look like so much materialism and blessed, but bulls really aren't interested in living without beauty in their lives. Beauty to them also comes in the way of a happy home life, one that includes a partner and a stable relationship. Taurus values harmony in their personal lives, so they'll work hard on keeping their mate happy. Bulls can also be the sappiest of sentimentalists. Will all this overweening attention to their mate turn a bull into a possessive mess? Probably not, although they do have to manage their tendency to latch on a bit tight. However, Tauruses are true romantics and loyal to the core. The element associated with Taurus is earth. They are practical folks and tend toward conservatism. Taurus much prefers to take each day slowly and steadily and work toward their ultimate goal, and they stick to them. Bulls can get pretty argumentative, but eventually they'll calm down and come back to center. The earth in this sign does tend to act as a balancing mechanism so that things never get truly out of hand. Seeing as how bulls are generally strong and well-built, it's no surprise that these folks enjoy testing their strength on the field of play. Expect to find a bull engaged in a spirited game of hoops or mountain climbing. Hiking is also a favorite pastime, since it keeps Taurus close to their beloved earth. Indoor adventures are also favored by bulls, which is why the opera or ballet is right up a Taurus's alley. When it comes to love, the Taurus-born are devoted, romantic and somewhat possessive. Their sensual nature has a way of erasing any mistakes. Taurus rules the neck and throat. Bulls would be wise to keep a silky scarf at hand, ideally in a warm earthy tone. The great strength of Taurus is in their stability, loyalty and dogged determination. Bulls want to get the job done, and they will. What better way to get the riches they so fervently crave?